In this optional video, I'll say a little bit about finding fixed points using algebra. So a fixed point, remember, is just a point that doesn't change when the function acts on it. In other words, it's a function that, it's a number, a fixed point is a number x that when the function acts on it returns x. So x is not changed, it's fixed, it doesn't change. This is called the fixed point equation. So if we have a function, we can solve for fixed points sometimes by using the fixed point equation. So let's do an example. Suppose we have f of x is 1/2 x minus 4. So then I write down the fixed point equation and I solve for x. So the fixed point equation is f of x equals x. And I know that f of x is 1/2 x minus 4. And I want to solve for x. So I need to get all of the x's on the same side of the equation. And let's see, maybe I'll subtract 1/2 x from each side. So 1/2 x minus 1/2 x, that goes away. I'm left with minus 4. X minus 1/2 x, 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. And then if I multiply this equation through by 2, I get that minus 8 equals x. So that should be my solution. So the fixed point is minus 8 equals x. Let's check and see if that's really the case. So let's see, does f of minus 8 equal minus 8? Well, what's f of minus 8? It's 1/2 minus 8 minus 4. I want to know, does that equal minus 8? Let's see, 1/2 of minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4, does that equal minus 8? Yes. Thus, minus 8 is fixed. So it's not hard to check to see if a number is a fixed point. You just plug it in, let the function act on it, and see if you get out the same number you started with. Here we do, so we conclude that yes, minus 8 really is a fixed point.